All right, here we are. Last day of notes. Okay, last day of new notes. All right, so we have new notes today, and then today, which is Wednesday, okay, which is due at Thursday. I'll put the last little bit out tomorrow, which is Thursday, and I'll have an assignment due Friday. Okay, and that's it for new lessons. Okay, so no extra credit, so don't ask for it. Check the portal, see what your grade is. Any zeros, of course, you can make up. Okay. The COVID data will be due next Friday, which is the 12th, I think. All right, 3, 4, 5, yep, 7, 12. Next Friday, that's your final exam. Okay. So make sure that's in because I put on your report card the final exam grade. So you gotta have it in your COVID data. Just all your data with the mean and standard deviation. That's it. Okay. So up until June, what did I say? The 6th. Okay. Yeah. It'll be this week, the June, blah, 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 June 6th. The data through June 6th. That's what I'm looking for. March 1st to June 6th. Okay? Every week, the mean and standard deviation. Some of you already know, some of you are doing great. There's a couple people who haven't done it. Imagine that. Okay? It's not my fault. Okay? Get your work done. Okay? Now, 9-2. I didn't get any emails, no questions, so I figured you got 9-1. Okay? Can of corn. All right? So 9-1's done. 9-2 is a linear regression. Okay? The regression line is also called the line of best fit. Okay? Now, to find the regression line, this is on page 514. Okay, page 514. Okay? So, what we have here, don't worry about, don't worry about, where are you? Get it. Don't worry about this. Okay? Forget about it. Okay? The regression equation is right here. Y hat. What does that mean? That is the predicted Y value at an X value. Okay? Something new that we have to have is called the centroid. Okay? We have to have the centroid for one of the formulas. The centroid is X bar, Y bar. X bar is the mean of the X's. Y bar is the mean of the Y's. Okay? You need the centroid. M, that's your slope. Okay? If you can't read that, again, it's on page 514. Now, you should notice that it is part of the R formula. Okay? So remember all those columns we did? All right, that's how you find the M. And then you see your M is used in the B to find the B. Okay? Which is your Y intercept. Okay? So, what this says here, all right, use your regression line, predict the donut. So it's from that information up there. What we're going to do is we are going to use our, I think it was 500. Let me look back. Okay, yes, from page 500. Okay, and we're going to predict the company's sales for someone who has an advertising expense of, let's say, what did I have here? 99. Where was that? That was higher. Okay, so we'll do a little higher than what they have. So we'll say maybe advertising expense of 3.2. What can we expect their sales to be? Okay, so it's in the context of the problem. All right, so what do we need? Whoop. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. So what do we need? We need, all right, see all those? We need the n, the summation xy, the summation of x, the summation of y, the summation of the x's squared, summation of x quantity squared. Okay. So we have from that previous information, we have n equals 8. Summation of x equals 15.8. Summation of y equals 1634. This is from the previous lesson. Okay. The summation of xy is 3289.8. The summation of the x squareds is 32.44. And that's all we need for the formulas. Okay, that's all we need for those formulas. Okay, now what else do we need? We need the x bar, all right, which is 15.8 divided by 8, which gives you 1.975. The y bar, which is 1634 divided by 8, just the average, right? Okay, gives you 204.25. Okay, so that's all the information we need. We need all of that stuff right there. Okay, and then all you're going to do is plug it into the formula. Okay, so my m is 8 times 3289.8 minus 15.8 times 1634. Okay, all over, and this is right in the book too. Okay, 8 times 32.44 minus 15.8 squared. Okay, all right. Look, I don't care how if it takes 2 steps, 3 steps to put it in. I don't care. Okay, as long as you get, the 50.72874. I don't know. They have it going out for a while. Let's go at least 2-3 decimal places. Okay, is fine. You're gonna show me all the work anyway, so go 2-3 decimal places. Okay, and then I'll tell you the rule when we get down to the regression equation line. So that's your m. Okay, so that's the slope. Okay, now your b, which is your y-intercept, okay, uses the y bar, which is 204.25 minus, and it uses your m. You see how the m's in the formula? So that number comes down here. Okay, the 50.72874 times the x bar, which is 1.975. Okay, see that all right there? Which is about 104.0607. Okay, so there you go. So you got your m and your b. Now, okay, you can see the regression equation they have. All right, what I want, okay, is predicted y value equals. Now, the slope and y-intercept go 1 decimal place further, okay, than the original data. My original data is 2.4, 1.6, 225, 184, okay? So the furthest it has is 1 decimal place, so you go 2 decimal places, okay? So y hat is 50.7, and this isn't till the end, okay? When you're finding your slope and y-intercept, you're going to go at least 3 decimal places, okay? Because you're going to round here to 2, okay? So 50.73x plus 104.06, okay? That is the regression equation, okay? Now I said I wanted to find what 3.2. Okay, so my advertising expense is 3.2. So that means x equals 3.2. So the x is going to go right in there. Now I just made this up, so I haven't done it yet. Okay, so my predicted or my company sales based on 3.2 advertising expenses, remember that's in thousands of dollars. Okay, so your predicted y value is 50.73 times 3.2 plus 104.06. Okay, so 50.73 times 3.2 plus 104.06, and you get 266. So my predicted y value is 266.396, which will go to 266. And again, that's in thousands of dollars. Okay. And then does that make sense? 3.2 is higher than every value on the left. Therefore, this value should be higher than everyone on the right. Yep, it works. Okay. It won't always be, because sometimes your slope will be negative and go down. Okay, so that's it right there. All right, so that's your regression equation. All right, with all the information you need. Oh, what did I give you last time? I don't know if it's the same or not. I gave you 17 and 19. Let's see what this 17 and 19 looks like. Nah, they're different. Okay, so why don't you do 13? Okay, do just do number 13. Okay, do number 13. Make sure you can get it. Okay, the Miami building heights. Okay, so number 13 on page 518. Page 518, number 13, and that's it. Okay, don't worry about scatter plots. Don't draw anything. Just do what I showed you right here. Just find the regression equation and the predicted values for yeah, do them all because then we can talk about it. Okay, do them all. We'll talk about it. Okay, all right. Well, good luck, and one more video with an assignment due Friday, and then the COVID data is your final. That's next week. He gives you next week to work on it if you need it. All right. Okay. See you.